Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power is off and foot pedal unplugged for safety. This prevents accidental movement. Wind a bobbin with the same thread as your top spool and seat it in the case so it advances smoothly. Once done, lift the presser foot to open the tension discs, then follow the threading path through guides and down to the needle eye. Make sure the thread clicks into the T-cup lever. That click ensures proper tension and prevents skipped stitches. Now you adjust stitch settings and test before cutting fabric. Choose a straight stitch around 2, 5 to 3, 0 length and start with a neutral tension setting. This gives a baseline. Lower the bobbin thread and hold the top thread tail while you slowly hand turn the handwheel 1 to 2 full turns so threads nest together at the needle plate. Place scrap fabric under the foot and sew a test row. Make incremental changes to tension, needle size, or presser press. Finish your seam by anchoring. Sew 2 to 3 reverse stitches at the start and end to lock stitches in place, then trim tails. When done, raise the needle to its highest point and lift the presser foot before pulling your fabric away to avoid distortion. If the machine jams or skips, stop immediately. Raise the presser foot and needle, remove the bobbin and shuttle plate, clear lint or tangled thread, then rethread both bobbin and top thread carefully. That troubleshooting step usually resolves skipped stitches or jams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.